So I had a request for the look that I did in one of my last shopping vlogs. So I'm going to show you that today. My hair is a couple of days old. I had it up because I was walking Taco. I used this iron. It's conical. It's by Remington, and I use this to create that look. So what I do is I divide my hair. I take one layer down, pin the rest up with a comb or claw. And I've been using this lately. It's Perfect Defense by Morracanoil. Give it a little spritz, comb it through so it's dry. And I section off a piece about this big. And I just wrap. I don't wrap it smooth. And I like the I like to angle it at a 90-degree perpendicular to my head so that it does a bend. In other words, instead of leaving it like this, I do it like this. The only problem with this iron is the controls are right there and my fingers hit it and change the temperature repeatedly. And I set it on, see, it's perpendicular to my head. I set it on 380. Why? It's just a random number that I picked. I figured it's hot enough to make it work. Ow! Yet not too hot to cause a lot of damage. All right. I like, see the angle I have it. So it's stormy here today and it's making Taco nervous. So he's in here on the floor with me. He's a good boy. And Pat is in Myrtle Beach seeing his other family. He's spending time with his other wife today. All right. So I took Taco for his walk and we got back and I had a couple of chores I wanted to do before I went on my walk, and now it's, I don't know, it's thundering and the rain keeps, every time I get between chores and I'm ready to go walk, it starts raining again. I'll do some push-ups and sit-ups and vacuum, clean my bathroom. That'd probably be vigorous enough for today, right? Okay. Now for another layer. I think the doing it by layer is necessary. Dry it. Section it off. So like I said, I don't wrap it flat. I let the piece twist as I wrap it. You know how you can readjust it in your hands to make it wrap flat? I don't do it that way. And because the wine is shaped the way it is, you really don't have to hold any out because it kind of automatically is straight on the ends, which I'm into right now. Missed a piece. It's very difficult to avoid those buttons. I think this was very inexpensive though. I probably got it at Walmart. Wow, I keep missing pieces. I don't remember when I got it. I was looking for something in my closet in the other room. The other room is my staging area for my kit. I take my kit apart and go through it all before I go to a job to assess what I'm carrying with me as far as pallets are concerned, that sort of thing, to make sure to see if there's any way I could make what I have with me more suited to the client, or in a lot of situations it's as it should be. But anyway, I have another room where I do that. I mostly film and get ready in here, and I have storage and staging in the other room. Anyway, I was going through some stuff the other day and I came across this iron, and I thought, I hadn't used that in a while. I bet it'll be interesting looking on my new length shorter hair. I pulled it out. I like my part to kind of go diagonal like this. Take a piece in the front, pull it straight down. I had the top part in that little claw clip, and so it's acting a little odd. I had it in this. I like some texture right here, so I do it up a little higher. Like that, which just gives it some texture. I'm going to put on this light so I can see better, so I can see And then I'll put a little, get a little height right here. And that's how I get that look. If I don't like this little crook thing going on right here in the front, this little thing, it's not bad though. All right, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I will get back to you in the morning. Y'all have a great evening and I'll see you again tomorrow night. Ta-ta.